We are hoping that soon and very soon they will be back up and running again. But I'm taking a little walk into the woods this morning again. So just to give you a kind of 360. A 360 of the woods and the houses in the background there. Maybe they could not have been seen when the trees were leafy and green just before winter. So we are seeing them now. You can hear the sounds of the birds. Yeah. Let's hear the sounds going. All right. Fallen tree. There are the wisps of all different types right there. All right.